Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll explore modals of ability. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about real ability, specifically the real ability in the present. We use can and can't to describe what we are able or unable to do now. For example, I can play the guitar or she can't swim. Next, let's discuss past ability. We use could and couldn't to talk about what we were able to do in the past. For instance, when I was a child, I could ride a bike without any help, or he couldn't tie his shoelaces until he was 6. We can also use modals to talk about decisions we make now regarding future ability. For example, I can help you with your homework tonight, or we couldn't visit the museum next week because it's closed. Finally, when talking about future ability, we use will be able to or won't be able to. For example, in the future, everyone will be able to communicate with each other instantly, or, unfortunately, I won't be able to join you for dinner tomorrow. Now, let's look at hypothetical ability. For current hypothetical situations, we use could and couldn't. For example, I couldn't run a marathon now. I'm out of shape. For future hypotheticals, we say things like, I could join you at the park tomorrow, but I have an appointment. Finally, for past hypothetical abilities, we use could have and couldn't have. For example, she could have already learned Spanish if she had more time, or they couldn't have solved the problem without help. That's it for today's quick guide on modals of ability. Remember to practice these modals in your everyday conversations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English tips. See you next time.